Oh, you could feel it.
Oh, that's some...
Whoa!
Oh, it stuck to the
That
mirror.
is crazy. I have to say, I'm a big fan of the face mask.
It's like I'll go through weeks where I use like a sheet mask every other day.
I don't really use them that often. The only times I've ever really used them are for this series, Crash Test Beauties.
I should do face mask about 2 times a week.
We brush our teeth because we want to keep our teeth around. Like you should be taking care of your skin and your face because you want your face to be around, I guess.
Oh, this is cute. Where is this from?
Onyx Youth. It almost sounds like a rock band.
It's Korean.
Korean.
It'd be a good,
It does, yeah.
Be a pretty Onyx Youth. Magnetic mask could be like their first hit.
They have nice skin.
Packaging looks very nice.
It looks like sleek.
Kind of gender neutral, even maybe skews a little guy-esque. Kind of almost feels like a surf brand.
Is it gonna float off of my skin when I use this tool thing?
Do you want healthier, younger looking skin? Look no further.
Oh, I've seen. Oh, well, I think I know.
Dramatically transform your skin in minutes.
Well, now we know it works.
This has got some weight to it.
I don't think you could go through security at the airport with this. What do you
Probably not.
This is a powerful tool.
Ooh. Said something about the spatula.
It feels kind of warm.
This will be fun.
I might have put on a lot.
It doesn't really say. Oh, it says thin.
It's like a cool sensation when you first get it there.
Yeah, it does smell pretty good. I'm not feeling like I just walked out of a flower shop.
Feels like, I don't know, it's kind of a weird feeling.
I think I'm definitely putting too much on here. Hopefully that heavy magnet will just suck this stuff right off our face.
Not like it's tingling or anything.
I got a lot of hair on my face, so I'm gonna try to avoid that.
I just put my eyebrows in it, so I'm really hoping it doesn't take off my eyebrows.
What if it just took your whole beard off?
It's okay, it's not really much of a beard anyways.
It's not drying, it's not tightening anywhere.
It goes on really smoothly.
It feels soothing, like I'm on a vacation and I'm getting some type of facial.
Like you're icing a cake because you're using a spatula.
It says a thin layer.
That's thin, right?
Honestly, it feels comfortable on the face. I might forget I even have this on.
Well,
I think you just laid it on thick in a couple areas.
It says do not use water to remove. We're really relying on this magnet.
This looks like a big thumb to those like cafeteria lady.
Do we need a drum roll or should we ask the drummer of Onyx Youth, our new rock band, to...
Yeah.
Oh, you can feel it.
that's some...
Oh my gosh! Whoa!
Ooh.
I see it. It's so wild.
Oh, it stuck to the
That is crazy!
Oh, it looks like it looks like someone with like a guy with spiky hair.
Oh my gosh, that's cool.
I feel very hydrated.
When you were a kid, did you ever like go into a sandbox with a magnet?
Yeah, all the time. And just pick up all the metal.
That's exactly what it feels like.
For somebody with dry skin,
Yeah.
I'm looking real moisturized.
It did say to massage the leftover stuff in your skin.
Definitely an experience. Never had something like tug on my face like that.
I mean, gives you a little bit of a glow.
High key though.
It definitely lived up to being something unique and kind of cool.
This might be good to use like before you go to bed.
I mean, if you had dry skin,
You don't have issues with your skin being oily.
I feel like it would be beneficial to you.
I would recommend this to my friends with dry skin.
After you use like a magnet mask, do you feel more attractive?
Oh.
Get it?
I look fine, so I mean, yeah.
You should probably go out tonight. I mean, you know, why waste that magnetic glow?
I should, but first I need to find somebody to go out with.
Also, people who don't have a lot of time, you only have to leave this on for 5 or 10 minutes.
Once we start our band, Onyx Youth, I mean, I don't think dates will be a problem for you. You'll be a rock star.
Totally.
All right, cool.